Welcome to JMR Learning Studio. In this video, you will learn about the kitchen vocabulary. So, let's start. Toaster, toaster. Dishwasher, dishwasher. Sponge, sponge, sponge. Broom, broom. Teapot, teapot. Wooden spoon, wooden spoon. Plate, plate. Cup and saucer, cup and saucer. Kitchen sink, kitchen sink. Pestle and mortar, pestle and mortar. Tongs, tongs. Wok, wok. Butter dish, butter dish. Mug, mug. Kitchen table, kitchen table. Cooker, cooker. Saucepan, saucepan. Baking tray, baking tray. Salt and pepper shaker, salt and pepper shaker. Pizza slicer, pizza slicer. Spice container, spice container. Thermos, thermos. Potato masher, potato masher. Casserole dish, casserole dish. Sandwich maker, sandwich maker. Ice cream scoop, ice cream scoop. Waffle maker, waffle maker. Basket, basket. Rubbish bin, rubbish bin. Spice rack, spice rack. Food processor, food processor. Dish soap, dish soap. Spoon, spoon. Napkins, napkins. Refrigerator, refrigerator. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.